I'm Jen Porter, I'm the Senior Project Manager for Metal up in Liverpool. Metal is a national arts charity. We've got spaces in Southend and Peterborough as well, and we've been based in Liverpool since 2004. It was set up initially as residency space for artists. Our current chair, Jude Kelly, kind of come up with the concept, and the idea was that, you know, any artistic discipline needs a space to think and make in. Basically, the space there started out as a bit of a kitchen space. So we had an Arga oven in this studio, and it was a space where Jude sort of like invited people to talk, basically, to have discussions, to discuss art. And we've kept that ethos continually through the years as we've developed. So we always have a kitchen space in the spaces where we are. So yeah, that's the kind of like philosophy of Metal, if you like. In 2009, we renovated Edgehill Station, which is an iconic building of Liverpool. It's the oldest passenger railway station. We developed those buildings, and now they run as like an arts centre. So we have regular kind of community groups using that space. We have tenants there. We were able to work with Ian Solomon Court through a relationship with the Good Business Festival. We've worked on and off with Harthill over a number of years. They're kind of like a youth club that's really close to Edgehill Station, and they run like a music project there. So it seemed like a perfect match. What Metal Liverpool sort of like does from Edgehill Station and who it's for is the buildings themselves are kind of like production spaces. So although we do run events from there sometimes and people sort of like use the buildings regularly, we see it as a space where work is made, whether that's in collaboration with people or it's artists thinking through ideas that then go out into the local community. I feel proud every time an artist who comes to work with us sort of has an idea and we make it happen together. I really love that whole idea of just somebody going, I've got this thing and I think it'd work, and it's like, yeah, we could definitely do this, you know. It's like, this is the person you need to meet, this is the kind of, you know, and when you actually see it all come together, it's just a really nice feeling. Like working with Ian, we had these ideas and, you know, we found the right group, and then when we came together and did the project and you know, we made a song really quickly. It's just a really nice feeling, and I think every time that happens, I feel a lot of pride. We had an artist called Amy Pennington come and talk, and they said, speak your truth. And I really like that, because I think for being a creative person, I think sometimes you can feel like you won't be accepted or your ideas are rubbish and nobody really wants to hear what you've got to say. But I think if you just be yourself and sort of stand up, you know, believe in yourself and just say, this is what I'm thinking, this is what I want to do, that like someone will always listen, it will always find the right people. Just speak your truth and the rest will follow.